Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my January Ipsy. Can you guys believe we're saying January Ipsy? So it feels really light this time. So hope I'm not like too overly disappointed or something because it feels really light. So let's get in here. There's the usual pink, hot pink. Discover yourself. And she looks kind of puny. Let's see what we have. Dream big, win big. Clean slate. Okay, so clean slate. This is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you. Isn't that the truth? Habits, feelings, expired mascara, and invite in the new. Start your year on a path that sets your dreams in stone. All right, so here is our list of goodies. I'm going to set it right here. First thing I see on the list is this little booger, and it is by Purlisse, and I do like Purlisse. Let's see what this says. A Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Eye Adore Serum. Now I already have one eye serum going, so I'm not going to open this. Your under eyes are delicate, so is the serum, designed to handle them with care. A 4-in-1 formula contains plant-based powerhouses like French marine plants, soy proteins, vitamin E to target fine lines, crow's feet, dark circles, and puffiness. And this retails for $58. $58. So that's double your box right there. $58. All right, children. There we go. Is that the full size? Is this a full size? It's 0.5 fluid ounce, 15 mils. Okay, so the next thing I'm seeing is this Hanali Company Lip Treatment in Clear. Aloha Healthy Lips formulated with a unique blend of Hawaiian botanicals like rare kukui nut oil. And I know I'm saying it wrong. So Miss Ziana, she is my district manager. She is from Hawaii. So you let me know how to pronounce these. So aloe and agave, I know how to do those too. This is a lush lip treatment. Instantly revives chapped lips. Once swiped and you'll be hooked. Make the most of your beauty sleep and store this lip treatment at your bedside, which I have a little bowl over here that has like chapsticks in it. And that's what it's for. So I am going to open it. Here is the packaging. I know my lights are just washing that out. So this one I will use. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And it's just a squeezy tube. And I know it's this light right here is washing a lot of it out. And it's just a ooh, it feels thick in the tube. It is really thick. I'm still squeezing. Oh my gosh. Where are you? Oh, there it goes. That is really thick. It's like Carmex. Well, I've not used Carmex, but you know, it's really thick. So definitely can understand. I'm just cleaning it off because I got some of my lippy on it. Where they're coming from when they say like deep peeling lip treatment, because that is really thick. Okay, so that retailed for $20. Feels very good on the lips. Okay. Wander Beauty Wanderess Rush eyeshadow palette. I do like the Wander Beauty stuff. Here is the palette. And let's see if I can get it. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. So I'm going to be really easy trying to open it. You guys know I usually tear everything up, because it is sealed with a little bit of tape, so I'm trying to get it out without messing up the packaging. So there's the little palette. I like that it's little. And I'm not even going to take the covering off that, because I am going to put this in a future giveaway, because I have this NARS palette that I have in my used drawer right now. Can you see that? Very, 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 very similar. That cranberry shade. There's not a gold, but there is that bronzy shade. There's the chocolate brown shade. There's medium brown. So I'm not going to open this or swatch it, or I mean, take the plastic away. I'm going to put her back in her container. And this will go in a future giveaway of some sort or fashion. And I'm going to tape her back up. So she has been opened on the corner. She wasn't swatched or anything. And it'll go with this Pure Release little guy here. And what did it retail for? $25. And that's only because I have those shades in so many other palettes. I'd rather give it to one of you guys to benefit from. If you don't have a large makeup collection, you're just starting your makeup collection, I will start accumulating a few small things to do a really small pop-up giveaway in the near future. So be sure you've hit that subscribe button down below and your notification bell so you'll know when those little pop-up giveaways happen, because last year I did a giveaway October, I did a giveaway November, and I give away a giveaway in December. So hit that bell, hit that thumbs up, hit subscribe. All right, guys, what is next? Sugar Cosmetics Wingman Waterproof Eyeliner in 01 I'll Be Black. This retails for $11.99. Again, I have a Hank & Henry open. I already have one down in my backup drawer that is a felt tip liner. Get the best cat eye of your life with this jet black liquid liner. Firm, easy to control tip. Draws clean, crisp lines every single time. No pro skills required. And the best part, the formula is 100% waterproof. So once it's on, it's on. Shake the pen before use. Store it upside down to prevent the felt tip from drying out. So this is going to go in the little giveaway as well. So this whole box is getting given away. Flesh Ripe Flesh Glisten Drops in Aura. A glow worth writing home about. This versatile liquid highlighter can be used on bare skin like collarbones and shoulders, mixed with a moisturizer or tapped over makeup for a luminous look. Gelled water and high concentrations of mica pearls keep you glowing and looking fresh, and it's never cakey. Shake well before you begin, blah, blah, blah. This retails for $28. I'm going to open it and just look at it. So I think it's got, no, you just turn it, I guess, and twisty top. And it's got a little dropper on the end. Yes. So again, I'm not going to swatch this. I'm going to put it back in the thing, and it's going to go with the rest of it, because I have this one from Jeffree Star. I have this one from Flower Beauty, no, Aura Gel. Or Aura Glow. There's another one over here somewhere that I think that's a Flower Beauty. So I have several liquid highlighters and I don't use them that often. So it's going to go in the giveaway as well. And it retailed for $28. And here is the really pretty bag. It is a really pretty bag, actually. I don't know if I want to keep the bag. I should keep something. The only thing I'm keeping is the lip treatments. I'm going to put it all in this bag for right now, but I may keep the bag. I may not. I don't know. I don't need another makeup bag. So yeah, everything's in this makeup bag, and it is for a future giveaway. I'm kind of sad. I'm giving it all away, but that's okay. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. And like I said, if you want to get in on this giveaway, stay tuned. It has a little wristlet. Be sure you hit subscribe, because I will be adding to this as time goes along. I don't know what's coming in my Boxycharm, so something from Boxycharm may go in here as well. That video should be up in a day or two, so be on the lookout for Boxycharm. And yeah, somebody's going to win this. at some point in time. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. If you'd like to sign up for Ipsy, I will have a link down below. It's not like an affiliate link. It's just a link to sign up, and I do believe if you sign up, you get a free gift and I get a free gift. I think that's how it works. I'm not for sure, but just check the link down below. It'll be down there, so will the Boxycharm link. You can check either one of them out. But yeah, somebody's going to win this. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.